This is an overview of TurboTransaction.com. I'm here on the home page, and this is where you'll sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you can click this button here, sign up, and create one for free very quickly. Then you'll be able to sign in, and you'll see a dashboard that looks like this. Now, of course, if it's your first time logging in, you will not see a list of transactions. You'll see the Transactions tab up top. You'll see the Forms tab, which is just a list of different forms that you may use in the course of a transaction. And then Tutorials, which is empty now, but will soon have a list of instructional videos in it. But we'll go back to the Transactions dashboard. This is what you'll see by default. Now, to create a new transaction, you'll click this box, New Transaction. You'll select which type it is. Now, by default, it's sale, but you can do a lease, new construction, or referral transaction. You're going to indicate which role you have. Is it listing agent, buyer's agent, or dual? You'll put the address in. You'll check boxes if you want to order a TC or a prelim or an NHD, and you'll click Save to create the transaction. And once you do, you're going to have something like this. Actually, let me use this as an example. You'll have something like this, and there'll be a list of documents, and they'll tell you whether or not they're required. And then you can upload a document. So here we'll upload a document. Let's pretend like we're uploading one. We'll just select a document, check Save, and it's there. Now, when all the documents that are required in a list have been uploaded, a button will appear to Submit Complete File, and you'll check that box, and that sends this transaction off for broker review. Now, once a transaction sent off, it'll change from active. Active is a status you'll see when you're collecting documents through the course of the transaction, and processing means it's under broker review. At that point, you're going to get a notification, and you'll get a blinking dot up here that tells you whether or not your transaction was accepted or rejected. Now, if it was accepted, it'll show as complete, and you'll get a new option to create a CDA, which is where you can be paid directly from escrow. I'll go back here, and if it's rejected, of course, it'll just show a red rejected, and it'll give you a reason why, and you can address that one particular document. Now, if you need to change any of your profile, like your email or your password, you can do so up here. These are the notifications I was referring to, that your transaction has been accepted or rejected, and you'll get an email as well, and you'll see that blinking light. You can get rid of that light by getting rid of the notifications, and the light's gone. And that's it. It's really that simple. That's how you create a transaction. You build it while it's in active status. When all the required documents have been uploaded, you're going to see a button to submit it for processing, and it'll change this to processing status, and it'll be reviewed by the broker. If you have any questions, please refer to the Tutorials tab, which will very shortly have explanations, or feel welcome to email admin@Balboa Team. Thank you for watching.